Imagine you're walking near a lake. Suddenly, a creature over 1 meter long slowly rises from the water. It looks like a giant lizard, but it's actually a salamander. Sounds like a movie monster? Scientists have just discovered fossils of a previously unknown giant salamander species that lived 3.5 million years ago in Japan. And what's even more surprising? Researchers believe this may not be the only giant salamander species waiting to be discovered. Let's uncover this incredible prehistoric mystery. This amazing discovery was made by researchers from Kyoto University. They examined fossils that had actually been discovered over 20 years ago. Thanks to modern scientific analysis, they realized these bones belong to an entirely new species. The animal has been named Limnospondylus ajimuensis. Its fossils were found in the Tsubusagawa Formation, an ancient lake sediment in Japan. The remarkable thing is how well the bones were preserved. This allowed scientists to reconstruct what this giant amphibian looked like millions of years ago. This wasn't your average salamander. Researchers estimate it grew up to 1.1 meters, or about 3.6 feet long. That's almost the size of a young child. Unlike today's small salamanders hiding under rocks, this giant predator likely ruled freshwater lakes. It probably fed on fish, frogs, insects, and other small aquatic animals. Scientists believe the environment back then was very different from modern Japan. Dense forests, ancient lakes, and a rich ecosystem full of unusual creatures. This giant salamander was one of the top hunters in its habitat. Here's where things become even more exciting. Researchers believe these fossils suggest that multiple giant salamander species may have existed in ancient Japan. In other words, we've only uncovered part of the story. There could be many more prehistoric species still buried underground. Every fossil gives scientists new clues about how life evolved over millions of years. Discoveries like this also help us understand how climate change, geography, and evolution shaped the animals we see today. Who knows? The next incredible fossil could completely rewrite what we know about Earth's history. So next time someone says salamanders are tiny, tell them that millions of years ago, some were the size of a human child. Nature has always been full of surprises, and there are still countless secrets hidden beneath our feet. If you love amazing science discoveries, prehistoric animals, and mind-blowing facts, subscribe to Brain Up Kids, because we bring you the most fascinating stories from around the world, explained in a fun and easy way. And tell us in the comments, would you be brave enough to swim in a lake if giant salamanders still existed today? See you in the next video!